Trying to fill everything out.
Real good. Ooh. Hey y'all, happy Monday. It is Vlogtober 7, day 7. I've been consistent thus far. I got my carrots already done and my celery. I'm gonna make some type of chicken rice today. I gotta unthaw my chicken tenders. I'm gonna do chicken tenders. I also have to go and do a drive up at Target for some diapers. The tea bags. I added a little vanilla creamer and some vanilla syrup to sweeten it a little bit. And that's what we're drinking on this morning. Okay, let's get this rice made. That's what we need to do. We always go with some jasmine rice. Two cups. I also want to have extra for like breakfast time. Then I'll wash it. Real good. Ooh. What bothers me, and it's not nobody's fault because I can put boundaries up myself. What bothers me is when I accept all these collaborations, especially hair. Cause hair influences, y'all, we do the most. And then people don't want to pay you. I think I'm gonna make this with some chicken broth. 6 cups in here. Okay. Okay, we got our rice. I got it swimming in chicken broth.
Milk, but I ain't had nothing to put it in, so we'll have to take it around the house.
God. Kitty in the box. You had Kitty with you? Yeah, Kitty with you. Thank you.
Where's the milk? Look, Suge, look at the cat.
No. Just trying to fill everything out. Well, we have a cat now. Our rice is done.